All right, kids, here's our problem set, number 25. So you're going to need a red colored pencil and an orange colored pencil, okay? There's my orange color there, and you're gonna need a regular pencil. All right, make sure your name and number is at the top, and your date. All right, so we're gonna follow the directions. We're gonna shade the number 1 red. Circle the first unmarked number, okay? So we're going to do that. So we're going to shade the number 1 red. So I'll do that. All right. Now notice when I'm shading, I'm not like hammering down on it super hard. I'm just kind of dragging my pencil across, adjusting the pressure with it. All right. So I shade the number 1 red. All right. A says circle the first unmarked number. Okay, so circle the first unmarked number. Okay, I can do that. Let me get the pencil out. First unmarked number. Okay. Cross off every multiple of that number except the one you circled. If it's already crossed off, skip it. And repeat steps A and B until every number is either circled or crossed off. All right, these are really confusing directions, but we're gonna give it our best shot. So circle the first unmarked, so shade the number 1 red, we did. Circle the first unmarked number, okay? There's the first number that's unmarked. Cross off every multiple of that number except the one we circled. All right, so here's the number we did. We're gonna cross off every multiple. It looks like even numbers. 4, 6, 8, 10, right? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right, you guys still with me? All right, I'll wait for you. I'm gonna slide this paper up a little bit. Here we go, still counting by twos, right? 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay? 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. And 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. I'm going to keep going here. I'll pause at the end of this to make sure you caught up a little bit. You can see that it's the same thing here that we did last time. All the even numbers are on that same row there, right? 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 83, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All right, so your chart should look like this so far. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat steps A and B until every number is either circled or crossed off. Okay, so circle the first unmarked number. So we shaded 1, we already did 2, so now the first unmarked number after that is 3. So I'm gonna circle it. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to cross off every multiple of this number except the one we circled. If it's already crossed off, we skip it. Okay, so 3, 6, it's already crossed off. 9, oh, gotta cross it off. You with me? 3 more from 9 is 12, it's already crossed off. 3 more from 12 is 15, cross that off. 3 more is 18, already crossed off. 3 more is 21. Oh, it looks like kind of like every other one we're crossing off here, right? 24, 3 more is 27. 30, 3 more is 33. I'll pause here for a moment. 3 more from 33 is 36. 3 more from 36 is 39. 3 more from 39 is 42. 3 more from 42 is 45. 3 more from 40. Notice how I'm using my fingers to hold my place, and I got my hands, I'm right over the top of my paper, and I'm making sure that I've got everything covered here. So 3 more from 45 is 48. 3 more from 48 is 51. 3 more from 51 is 54. 3 more is 57. 3 more is 60. 3 more is 63. 3 more is 66. I'll pause there for a moment. And teachers, anytime you want to pause and check for understanding or kind of walk around the room to see how kids are doing, feel free. Okay. 3 more from 66 is 69. 3 more from 69 is 72. Looks like I'm getting to the bottom here. Let me slide this guy up. So 72. 3 more is 75. 3 more is 78. 3 more is 81. 3 more is 84. 1, 2, 3, 87. 1, 2, 3, 90. 1, 2, 3, 93. 1, 2, 3, 96. 1, 2, 3, 99. All right, so that was good. All right, so now we're going to, I guess, move on to the next. Okay, so we're going to repeat the instructions again. So we're going to repeat steps A and B until every number is either circled or crossed off. All right, so this one's already marked. 5 is the next number. We're going to circle 5 and then count by 5s. Okay, you can do that. And remember, we're only crossing off the ones that have no marks on them. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, cross it off. 30, 35. Cross that off. 40, 45, 50, 55. Cross that off. 60, 65. You can see it's like if I'm just crossing off all these down here, right? 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, and 95, 100. Okay, well, we got to the end there, so gonna keep going. 6 is already marked, 7 is not. So we're gonna circle 7. Now we're counting by 7s, right? 7, 14, 21. Okay, see that? 28. 5 more is 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 42. See, I can count up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 49 needs to be crossed off. Good. And I know 7 times 7 is 49. That one always sticks out to me for some reason because 49 is a weird number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 63. It's 9 times 7. I know that. 7 more from 63. 3 is friends with 7, so that's 70. And then 77. 7 plus 70 is easy. 177 needs to be crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 91. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 98. All right. That's it. Keep going, I guess, right? So I still have unmarked numbers. So we're going to move on to the next one. There's 11, right? Because all these numbers up top are marked off. Here's 11. I'm going to circle it, okay? And count by 11s. So we know 11 and 22, and then 33, 44, 55. Oh, cool. So it's a big diagonal here. 66, 677, 88, 89. Okay, that's already crossed off. Didn't have to do any work there. Here's 13. We're going to circle it, okay? And start counting by 13. So 2 13s is 26. All right, another 13. I could count up if I wanted to, or I can just add a 10 and a 3 here. That'd give me 39, right? Is 39 crossed off? Yep. And then 13 more from that would be 52. Did that math in my head. That's crossed off, right? 13 more from that, plus 10 is 62. Plus 3 is 65. Yep. And then 13 more from that would be 75 plus 3 is 78. That's crossed off. 13 more from that is 88 plus 3 is 91. That's crossed off. And then 13 more of that take me over 100. All right, that was easy. All right, just had to do a lot of math in my head. So the next number is 17. Oh boy, counting by 17s. It's going to test us, huh? So 17, two 17s will be 14 plus 20, be 34. Another 17 from that will be 44, and 7 will give me 51. That's crossed off. Another 17 from that will be 61, 68. That's crossed off. 75 and 10 would be 85. That's crossed off. And then it takes me over 100, okay? Back to the square one. I circle 19. Count by 19s. This is fun, huh? So let's see, not count by 19. So I've got 38 crossed off. Another 19 from 38 would give me 48 plus 9 will give me 57, right? Yeah. Another 19 from 57 would be 67 minus 1, 66. Another 19 from 66 would be 86 minus 1, 85. And another 19 from that takes me over. Okay, so on to 23. Circle that one. All right, so 23 plus 23 is 46. Another 23 from 46 would be 69. Yep. Another 23 would be 92. Yep. And then we're done. So 29 is the next number I circle. 29 plus 29 would be 58. I just did 30 plus 30 and then minus 2 in my head. So 58. Yep. Plus another 30 would be 88 minus 1 would be 87. Yep. And then 29 takes us over. Okay. 31. Two 31s is 62. Another 31 would be 93. Yep. And then that would take us over. 37. 30 and 30 is 60, plus 7 and 7 is 14. So that would be 74. Yep. Plus 37 more would take us over. Moving on, 41. 41 and 41 is 82. And then the next takes us over. 43. 43 and 44. 43 would be 87, 86. 86, and then 40 is over. 47. That would be 94. And then 47 is over. 53. Okay, 53 plus 53 is over 100. So it looks like the rest of these, if I'm just circling them, they'd go over 100. So I don't have to worry about counting by these numbers anymore. Just circle them. Right? Because every time I would circle and go over. So this is what we ended up with. Oop, forgot that one. Okay, now it says shade every crossed out number in orange. Okay, so here's my orange one. So every crossed out number in orange. Okay. This here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Notice I'm using the side of my pencil, right? I'm holding it going like this. Shading it in. I don't want to hold it like this and, you know. Let's get that shaded in. I still want to read the numbers and the crossed out numbers underneath. And we'll just get it all shaded in there like this. I like Bob Ross here. And I get a happy tree over here. Nice little happy cloud. Shading all these numbers in that are crossed off in orange. That's that. Okay. It's kind of a fun way to start the week back from vacation. All right. A little bit of coloring, a little bit of crossing out, a little bit of mental math. All right, get back into the swing of things. Okay, so it looks like I've shaded everything that's crossed out in orange, and I got all these other numbers there, okay? And it looks like here, so have you noticed anything yet about the numbers that are circled? Teachers, you can pause here and have a discussion. All right, so we're on to the back. So we're gonna list all the circled numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So that's what we're gonna do here. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 11, 13, 17, 19. 11, 13, 17, 19. 23, 29, 31, 37. 23, 29, 31, 37. Okay. 41, 43, 47. 41, 43, 47. 53, 59, 61. 53, 59, 61. Okay, looks like I got 67, 71, 73. 61, 67, 71, 73. 79, 83, 89. 79, 83, 89, and 97. Why were the circled numbers not crossed off along the way? Do we know why? Teachers, you can pause here and have a discussion. All right, if your discussion was like anything like our discussion, is that we talked about the circled numbers were not crossed off along the way because they are not multiples of any of the numbers, right? They don't have any multiples. So that means that they're prime numbers. So they weren't circled off because, so the crossed off numbers are the circled numbers. The circled numbers were not crossed off because they are not multiples of any other numbers besides 1 and itself. All right, except for the number 1, what is similar about all the numbers that were crossed off? Teachers, you can pause and discuss that. All right, and hopefully you came up with that the crossed off numbers are all composites. Composite numbers. Period. Okay? And here, what is similar about all the numbers that were circled? Well, if we haven't figured this one out yet, we do know that they're all prime numbers. The circled numbers are all prime numbers. All right, well, that was a fun activity today. Get yourselves moving, get your brains moving a little bit, all right? And hopefully that was a good refresher, all right? So have a good day today, kids. We will not see you tomorrow for math class, but we'll see you on Wednesday, okay? All right, have a good day.